Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I did this look for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got it. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that share button for your girl. Bye. So I started out with Urban Decay Primer Potion. You guys, if you do nothing else, always make sure you prime your eyelids before you put eyeshadow on. That's what's gonna make your color stay and pop. So this is the JUVIA'S palette, the Berries collection. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love these colors. It is so pigmented and it's affordable. Go check that out, guys. So as you can see, I am putting the color in the corners of my eyelids so that I can create a halo effect that you'll see in a minute. And here I'm about to take a blending brush with nothing on it, and I'm just blending those corners out to create the halo effect. Sorry about the sunlight, you know, the sun just wanted to beam on me because, you know, shine bright like a diamond, duh. No, seriously, sorry about the light beaming in. So here I'm going back in with the palette and I'm using that darker pink and it is beautiful. Do y'all see that? Oh, I'm talking to Ava in this video. But that color, guys, oh my god, it pops. So I go back and forth with the colors and I blend out and then I go back in with the colors just to keep making sure that the color is popping and not fading away while I'm blending as well. So this is another palette by Juvia's Place, and guys, look at these colors. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. I'm using my finger for this color. Guys, you could use your fingers as tools too. You don't need all them fancy brushes, because you see what I did there. I'm using my finger. Sometimes your finger works better than a brush would. So I'm just filling in the middle of my eyelid and making sure those colors pop. So here I'm taking my favorite eyebrow pencil, and that is Elf in the color taupe, and I'm just shaping and filling in my brows. So this is the eyebrow gel that I use for my eyebrows. This gel is really good. It stays on all day, and it's like a gel for your eyebrows. So here I'm just priming with Wet n Wild's mattifying primer, getting ready for my foundation. Okay, so this Pro Fenty foundation, y'all, I have mixed emotions about it. All right, so the way I put it on, I probably shouldn't have. It dried so fast, you guys. Oh my God. It left my face feeling patchy. Oh my God, it was a mess. But as I worked with it more, I guess I like it. I'm not sure about it yet, guys. I'll keep you posted. Do y'all see me struggling? Oh man, when I tell you this dried so fast, it really did. But anyways, I made it work. So I'm using this NYX concealer stick to conceal under my eyes. It's really light coverage. So in the next clip, you'll see I went in with another concealer on top of this one. So this is the next concealer that I use. This is Maybelline's concealer. This one's medium to full coverage. So if you're looking for that kind of coverage, I would go with that one instead of the NYX. So I'm using the Airspun setting powder. This one's really good, guys. It's a drugstore. It's about $6 in Walmart. It's like the banana powder, but it's drugstore. It's really good. I recommend this powder. So I'm going back in with the NYX concealer stick, but this time I'm using the darker shade to contour my face. So I took that big poofy brush to wipe away my setting powder and also to blend my whole face together and make it look like one. Who else loves a good spray on your face? This is my favorite part. Y'all look. Ooh. So here I'm taking the color and I'm going in on my bottom lash line. You guys, make it make sense. If you do the top, you do the bottom too. I see way too many people not doing color on the bottom and that looks odd. I don't know. Comment below if you agree. So the eyeliner that I'm using is by LA Girl. It's like $5 in a drugstore. It's my favorite eyeliner. I use it all the time. Don't forget to curl the lashes before you add mascara. Listen, I shop on a budget. I'm sorry to say. You see them $3 lashes, girl. I got them on clearance and it came with 4 pair of lashes and them lashes are bomb. Okay, go look at your clearance rack. No shame in my game. So this is a City Colors brand. The highlight is so good. You see, I've been using it for a very long time, but I love this highlighting powder. So I always like to go in the tear duct of my eye. It just makes the color, your whole look pop. So just put a little bit and you'll see the difference. So my daughter came up with this lip combo. She told me to put this one first, and then you'll see in the next clip, I put another lipstick, and the color came out perfect, matching with my eye color. Thanks, Ava. Look guys, you see? The mix together made it look perfect. Shout out to my baby. But anyway guys, this is the look I created. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.